Hello everybody, welcome back to today's video. Today we are checking out and we are going to be coding things today. In this video we are going to be adding a anti-talk thing, so you won't be able to talk unless you have a permission. So the reason I'm doing this is because someone requested it a while ago. So let's go ahead and get straight into it. Just like normal, we're in our IntelliJ here. We're going to go ahead and open up our events class because we will be messing around with an event today. The event we're going to be using is a sync player chat event. I'll explain what this does momentarily, but we're going to go ahead and mess around with this a little right now. I'm sorry if my voice sounds different. I'm currently still sick and I don't feel well, so let's just try to make this a quick little tutorial, keep it easy, and we'll go from there. So we're going to do an event handler just like we normally do to state that this is an event. We're going to do a public void. We can call it anti-talk or something like that. It's going to be a sync player chat event. What this means is it's going to pick up whenever the player actually puts something in the chat to talk. We are first going to check if the player has a permission. So if the player does not have a permission, once again, we forgot to do this. We got to do player P. First, we have to define what player is. So player P equals e.getPlayer. So make sure we define that. Then we could say if P does not have the permission by putting the exclamation point in front of it, and the permission we're going to name it is chat.use. If they do not have that permission, we are going to cancel the event and we're going to send them a message. We'll do like a red message saying, "You are not allowed to speak on this server." So that's pretty much all we have to do. It's quite easy. So we're saying if the player, we get the player, when they're talking in a sync talk event, let me just make this lowercase a to keep that going. And we check if they have the permission chat.use. If they don't have the permission chat.use, their event is canceled, so their chat message won't go through, and it will say you are not allowed to speak on this server. Quite easy to do. Remember to change your version number so we can keep track, and along with going ahead and updating it to GitHub once we're completely done. We don't have to register our event because it's in the same class as the other events that we've already handled, so we do not have to do that. All we have to do is go ahead and build our plugin. And what I'm going to do is once it completes builds, you can see it's working on it right now. Once it's built, I'm going to throw it in our plugins folder and restart the server. We'll make sure it starts up properly and we'll launch our Minecraft. Alright, so my Minecraft is starting up and our server has started up. Let's make sure it loads up. So there it is. It's loaded up successfully. The plugin has loaded successfully using those cool join announcements that we set up in the last tutorial video, which is available down in the description below. Okay, cool. Thanks game. I gotta relog into my other account here. But we'll go ahead and start up the server and we will join and see if our account that's op still can type, which means it has all the permissions, and the account that isn't op won't be able to talk. That's our goal. So it's only if you have the permission you can talk, or if you're opt you can talk. If you don't, then you cannot speak. That is our goal for this video. Hopefully this quick event that we created will do this successfully. So it's loading up. We'll go ahead and join our server. So we just have to wait for it to join. This server is full. Strange. I know why. We were messing around with this in the last 2 videos ago where we added our unlimited players to the server. So we need to set our players where it says max players. We'll set it to 100. I forgot that we did that. So we'll go ahead and reload the server and we should be able to join once again. Or not. We'll stop the server, then edit the files. Fair enough. Fair enough. Max players 100. Then we can go ahead and start it up again. So, once again, before we actually wait for the server to start, if you have questions on how to use any of these plugins, make sure to let us know by going into if you need help running any of these, go to our Discord server. We'll be happy to help you. So we're in the game. let's check out our op account first, because the account on the left is my op account. The account on the right is non-op. Let me set it to daytime so it's a little easier to say. Oh, we're both not opt. Hold on. Let me fix that. That error is from protocol lib up here. Don't worry about it. It's not from our server. Oh, it isn't from our plugin. We'll check that out momentarily and see what's causing that issue. But now that I'm opt, could not opt Noodles YT. Why can't I? There we go. So, on my left account here, I can chat just like normal. But on my right account, it will say, you're not allowed to speak on this server. So we've successfully done that. Let's just take a quick look at this error over here and see what's gone wrong on this side. I think that was an error because I joined too early with our last video. I'll look into that later on, but that's not the point of this video. This video, we're talking about chat events. So you can see I can type and I can do everything I normally would do on a server. Meanwhile, my account without the permission says you are not allowed to speak on this server. And that's exactly what we set it to do here in the events class. So we've successfully created what we wanted to create for this video. Like normal, make sure to go to your VCS and commit your changes to GitHub. We can say added a chat restriction to only players with a permission. And we can go ahead and commit and push these changes to our GitHub just like that. And we'll go ahead and press push. All this code is available on the GitHub link, which is in the top of the description. You can go ahead and click and fork the directory. The next video, we'll actually be going over clicking links in chat and a few other things. Hopefully, that will come out sometime later this week. I know it's been a week since the last video. I've been extremely sick for the past 2 weeks, as you've heard in my videos. So I've been unable to create videos and do normal videos. So this is my first day getting back into actually recording. And I hope that I'm well enough to do this for the next few days. If you have questions again with this code, please join our Discord server. We'd be happy to help you. We have an entire channel dedicated just to that. And if you want a plugin tutorial on your plugin, make sure to leave a like and comment your plugin name down in the comments below, and I can review it. Thank you so much for watching today's video. My name is Noodles. I will see you in the next episode tomorrow, where I hopefully will be sounding better than I do now. I will see you all tomorrow. Goodbye.